Hi guys, it's another cooking demo here. Today we're looking at Iceland honey glazed roast parsnips. They just basically look like that. There's no need to boil them, you just stick them straight in the oven. Using British parsnips. Okay, so pretty much get a decent sized batch, a decent sized 750. So anyway, enough of that. This is what it looks like when they are cooked. So I've done a few in the oven. Now I was going to be saving these for Christmas, to be honest. I got these 2 bags given to me. So just knock that off. Take about 15 minutes to cook, but they are really good. And that's it really. That's something I made, sausage casserole. They really taste nice. And the other thing as well, I noticed that there is a little bit of shrinkage on them. That's what they look like. But other than that, you get what you get. So that's it guys, a quick look at that one. Hope you enjoyed. These are really nice, definitely recommend them. And I'll catch you later on.